Je m'appelle Kushi. In this video, we are going to learn about the chapter 4 of your HSC 11th standard textbook, which is what? Joyeux Anniversaire. Joyeux Anniversaire means happy birthday in French. So, this text is about Eric's mother sends a message to his friends for a surprise birthday party arranged for Eric. Now, let's read further. La mère d'Eric, the mother of Eric, Madame Mercier. What's his surname? Mercier. So it is Mrs. Mercier. Envoie. Envoie means to send. Sends un texto. Un texto is a text. A texto aux amis d'Eric. To the friends of Eric. Oh. It is what? It is article contracted. To plus the friends of Eric. Now here there is an image of mobile given. Eric fête son anniversaire le 2 janvier. Eric fête. Fêter as a verb means to celebrate. Eric celebrates his birthday the 2nd January. Okay. Il a 21 ans. He's going to become what? 21 years. Il a verb is used. Nous organisons. We are organizing une fête. Now, fête as a noun means a party or a festival. Here it is a party. Une fête, a party, surprise party, chez nous. Chez is a preposition which means at someone's place. So, chez nous. Chez nous means at our place. So, at our place, demain means tomorrow. À 19 heures. Okay? À 19 heures, which means at 7 o'clock. Now, let's read. Le lendemain soir à 19 heures. Le lendemain soir. Le lendemain soir. Lendemain means the day after. Soir means evening. À 19 heures, which means at 7 o'clock. Les amis attendent Eric. Attendre means to wait. So they are waiting for Eric. À 19h15 at 7:15, Eric entre dans son maison. Dans sa maison. Eric enters in his house. Silence total. There is total silence. Il fait un tour de la maison. He's just passing by the house, or he is doing a tour of his house. Il entre dans la cuisine. He enters into the kitchen. La cuisine is kitchen. Et soudain, and suddenly. Et means and, soudain means suddenly. Tout le monde crie. Everyone cries. Everyone shouts. What? Joyeux anniversaire, Eric. So everyone shouts what? Happy birthday, Eric. Eric says. Tiens. Tiens means hold. Tenir. The root verb is tenir, which means to hold. Tiens. Quelle grande surprise. What a great surprise. Merci, merci tout le monde. Thank you, everyone. Tout le monde means everyone. La mama et le papa, the mama and the papa. These are the short names used for our parents. Derek embrasse leur fille. The Eric's parents hug their son. Leur fille. Leur means their. Fille means son. Okay. Ses parents et ses amis offrent beaucoup de cadeaux. His parents and his friends offer a lot of gifts. Beaucoup de. Beaucoup de means a lot of. And here gifts is what? Gifts is plural. Okay. Mehdi. Voici un livre. Mehdi says, here is a book. C'est le dernier livre de ton auteur préféré. He says, this is the last book. Le dernier. Dernier means last. This is the last book of your preferred author, of your favorite author. Okay. Ira and Neil say, et voici un petit symbole the land. And here is a small symbol of India, the Taj Mahal. Ira and Neil are Indian, so they give Indian gifts to Eric. They give a showpiece of Taj Mahal. Le père d'Eric, the father of Eric says, it is his dialogue, okay. So le père d'Eric, he says, que c'est magnifique. It is magnificent, okay. Maya then says, come on to the next page. Maya says, Maya, Eric Ampaticado, the Lil Muris. If you now recall, these all people come from different countries. The story is being continued in all the lessons. Maya comes from what? She comes from Mauritius. So she is giving a gift out of Mauritius. A Paticado, the Lil Muris. Il Muris means Mauritius. Pati means a small. Kado means a gift. A bateau dans a bouteille. A bottle. Uh, a bateau. Bateau means this. Bateau means a ship. Okay. A bateau means a ship. Dans une bouteille. Dans une bouteille means a bottle. Une création unique. A unique creation. Eric says fantastic. It is what? He says fantastic. Quand est-ce qu'on coupe le gâteau? Quand est-ce qu'on coupe le gâteau? Quand. This word, this is a question word which means when. When will we cut the cake? Here I had explained in my previous video. En is translated literally as one or as we. So when will we cut the cake? Coupe means to cut. Le gâteau means the cake. This lesson has a lot of vocabulary. You should make a list out of all the new words and write down a gâteau. Gâteau is masculine and you have to memorize the gender in French. Un gâteau, a cake. Okay. Then, la mère d'Eric arrive avec un grand gâteau. The mother of Eric arrives with a or comes with a big cake. Eric coupe le gâteau. Eric cuts the cake. Sa mère offre un repas fabuleux aux invités. His mother offers a fabulous repas. Repas means meal to the invitees. Again, AUX. This is what article contract. 2 plus the. To the invitees. Le frère aîné d'Eric. Aîné means what? Elder. Aîné. The elder brother of Eric, Michel, arrive avec sa femme. Arrives with his wife, Magali, et leur fille, and their daughter. So now, Eric's brother has a wife and daughter. Leur fille, Barbara. Michel est architecte. Michel is what? His elder brother is an architect. Et il habite Paris, à Paris. He lives at Paris. Avec sa famille, with his family. Magali est médecin. Magali is a doctor. Mais elle ne travaille pas en ce moment. En ce moment. This phrase means at this moment. Oh, sorry. En ce moment. This phrase means what? At this moment. Okay? En ce moment. Then, la nièce d'Eric, the niece of Eric. La nièce d'Eric, un fillette mignon. She's a naughty girl, naughty kid. The song. She's only 2 years old. Offre le cadeau de son oncle avec beaucoup d'intérêt. She is opening. Ouvre means to open. Les cadeaux, the gifts of her uncle with a lot of interest. Beaucoup d'intérêt. Beaucoup de means a lot of, and intérêt means interest. I hope this lesson is clear to you. You can rewatch this video. I've tried to keep it as short as possible. See you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.